Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I am going to share an easy to cook yet very delicious and full of nutrients egg roll recipe, that is Korean egg roll or Korean omelette. It is delicious and full of nutrients because I am going to use lots of veggies in it. If you have chicken at home, you can use boiled chicken in it. But today I am going to make it only with veggies. So let's start making. In veggies, first I took 1/4 of a large carrot and finely chop it. Next I chop a little capsicum. Finally, I took 2 onions and finely chopped them. Now I am finely chopping 3 green chilies. Now I crack 4 large eggs in a bowl. Add salt as per taste. Fold it nicely. Now I am sieving it and discard the portion of the solidified egg whites that stick to my sieve. Again folding it until it is little fluffy. Adding 2 teaspoon milk and folding again. Put all the veggies one by one in the egg and fold it nicely until well combined. Heat the pan on medium heat and brush little white oil on it. Wait until it is nice and hot. Now I am pouring little egg mixture and wait until it is cooked. Fold it like normal omelette and drag it to one side of the pan. Brush little oil on the empty portion of the pan and pour little egg mixture as I am pouring. Let it cook. Again fold it and drag to one side of the pan. Repeat the process until the egg mixture is finished. Now turn off the heat and let the omelette Cook a little bit with the remaining heat of the pan. Shape it by pressing from the sides. Now cut it in roughly 1-inch pieces. Serve it hot with tomato sauce and enjoy it. If you love this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get many interesting updates. Thanks for watching it.